Hey everyone, how is it going? My dear students, so far we have discussed regarding vowel sounds in that we had gone through monophthongs and diphthongs in detail with multiple examples. On today's class, I'm gonna focus on consonant sounds, and in this consonant sounds, I'm specifically focusing on voiceless consonant sounds. So, my dear students, let's go and understand about what do you mean by voiceless consonant sounds and what is the meaning of voiced consonant sounds. Regarding voiced consonant sounds, let's focus on tomorrow. But today's our focus is on voiceless consonant sounds. So, what is voiceless consonant sounds? It's a sound made without using your vocal cords. When you say these sounds, your throat doesn't vibrate. That is, here when we pronounce these words, there is no vibration in our throat system, there is no vibration in our vocal cords. So what is the just easy idea to remember voiceless consonant sounds? There is no vibration, there is no vibration in our throat system. If there is no vibration while producing consonant sounds, they are called voiceless consonant sounds. So, how many consonant sounds in English? That is specifically voiceless. There are nine voiceless consonant sounds out there in English. These nine voiceless consonant sounds are P, T, K, F, that is F, T, K, F, F. Next one, S, S sound. S. Next sound, TH sound, that is think, think. Next, next one is SH sound, that is sip, sip, in that way. Next one is CH sound, that is ch, ch, in that way. Next one is H sound, that is in that way. We have to pronounce. So altogether, how many voiceless sounds in English? Nine. First one is p, p. Next one is t, t. Third one is k, k. Fourth one is f, f, f. Next one is S sound, that is s, s. Next one is TH sound, that is think, think. Next one is SH sound, that is sh, sh. Next one is ch sound, that is ch, ch. Next one is H sound, that is in that way. Let us practice in detail. The first one is p, p sound here. So let's read some examples here. Pen, pen, paper, paper, pig, park, play, happy, apple, stop, stop, open, help, help. You see here, look at the picture. When we are pronouncing this particular word, there is no vibration in our throat, that is in vocal cord system. So first you see our lips totally closed here, you see, in that way, and we suddenly burst air from the mouth system, you see, in that way. Next sound is T sound, that is you look at the picture here, our lips initially little bit open, you see, and teeth are visible, you see. Look at our lips in this way. For example, T, T, table, time, tall, take, better, water, sit, stop, stop, light, light, So t sound is in that way. Next sound is k sound. K sound, that is k, k, that is cat, kite, key, call, come, school, back, milk, book, speak, k, k, k. In that way the sound. Look at the picture carefully. Where is our tongue position? K, k. Next sound is F sound. The pronunciation is this way. F, F. You see, the lower lips is touching to the top teeth. That is, f. You see, f, 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 fan, fish, fun, face, fine, leaf, half, life, coffee, laugh. In that way, this is the pronunciation of this particular sound. Next sound is S sound. S, s, s. You look at the picture. S, s, sun, sit, see, say, soap, bus, close, rice, face, house. In this is the way of pronunciation. Next one is, that is th sound. The symbol is in this way. I think you're looking in the picture. Th sound, that is here, this is voiceless th. One more th is there, that is voiced. So voiceless th pronunciation is th. You see, our tongue is in between upper and lower teeth. That is, you see, think, think, but in voiced, the, there is a vibration, but in voiceless th there is no vibration. Our tongue should come above and bottom, teeth between, it should come in this way, think, thin, thank, thumb, tooth, tooth, there, three, bath, cloth, math, health, in this way. Next one is seventh one is that is integer shape sound, that is sigma shape sound. The sound is sh. Sh. You look at the picture. Sh. Look at the teeth position and lips position. Sh. Sip, shoe, see, shop, short, wish, fish, brush, nation, special. Next picture I'm gonna focus on, that is eighth one, that is ch sound. Ch. You look at the picture. Look at the picture carefully. Sorry. Ch. Look at the picture, lips position in this way. Ch, chair, child, check, cheese, chin, watch, catch, match, nature, picture. You see, the sound is ch. At the picture you can easily observe how we have to put our mouth position. Next one is, and last one is, in the voiceless consonant sound is h sound. The pronunciation is for example, house, hand, happy, help, hot, hill, hope, here, home, So the H sound pronunciation is in this way. So altogether, we have practiced nine different voiceless consonant sounds. And these consonant sounds, when we pronounce these voiceless consonant sounds, there is no vibration in our throat system. For example, if I put my thumb here in the throat system, if I say voiceless consonant sound, for example, P, P, P. Just to imagine here, there is no any vibration here. There is no any vibration. For example, if I say yes, s, 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 no vibration. So if there is no vibration, these consonant sounds are called voiceless consonant sounds. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed my class. So you see, in this way we have gone through nine different voiceless consonant sounds, and this is how we have to practice all the 44 sounds of English language so that we can speak very fluently in English. It's not so easy task. It needs a lot of practice. Thank you one and all. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you one and all.